When I first saw you walking by, your eyes were soft, but they passed me on. I felt a pull I couldn't hide, but to you I was already gone.
She never knew how every time she smiled, it lit up something inside me. But I stayed silent, hoping someday maybe she'd turn around.
Oh, how I long for the day you'd be mine, when your heart found mine. At the same time, I'd hold you close, I'd never let go. But dreams don't bloom if the winds don't blow. You let me in, then drifted far, like the moon hides when the daylight starts. I gave you all without a sign. You never knew what beat inside my heart.
She always talked about fate, like it was a river you couldn't steer. But me,
I'd have built a bridge, crossed the tide, just for her. Oh, how I long for the day you'd be mine, when your heart found mine. At the same time, I'd build a world from the love you'd show. But the door stayed closed, so I let you go. Maybe someday you'll feel that ache, the kind that keeps you wide awake. And maybe then you'll understand what it meant to reach and not touch your hand.
Funny how life keeps moving on. But some things,
some hearts, they stay right where they broke. Oh, how I dreamed that your heart would find mine, when the stars align and the hurt resigned. But love don't wait on a solid shore, so I walked away, though I wanted more.
and maybe she never will. But in some quiet corner of forever, I still love her to want me.